Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Faceit anti-cheat error Windows update. So the first thing that you need to do is close Faceit entirely and then deinstall it. You can do this by just searching up Faceit, here you go, Faceit, and then uninstall it. It'll open up programs and features, just click Faceit and uninstall. Now, as you can see, the icons have disappeared. What you need to do now is hit the Windows key and R at the same time. Type in %local app data %, and then click OK. From here, find the Faceit folder. It's right here. And make sure you delete this folder. Now we need to exit Faceit entirely. And now let's delete it. From this point, you need to download Faceit again, and then it should work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.